everyone, and welcome back. I'm just out here running the log splitter right now. Got a few of these bigger logs. My dad's been out here splitting, but these were too big, so I said I would split these so he didn't have to lift those up there. Starting to get a pile of wood here. This will be, of course, the wettest wood for the workshop this winter. We've got these piles over here also. That pile has been split for a couple years now, I think. Same with the stuff that's still underneath the tarp. Not a whole lot there, but it's kind of spread out. So we need to get that picked up and thrown into this pile here for the first stuff we burn. This stuff over here has been split a year, so this will be the second stuff to burn. And then the stuff out there that where I was just at with the splitter, some of that was split last fall, and now some of it's getting split right now. I've got the chickens and the ducks and the turkeys in here. Hopefully at the farmhouse I can get that chicken coop done, and then I can bring these up there because since Melissa's there all the time, I go back and forth. It's just easier if they're all in one place because I know that chores will get done every day and I don't have to have somebody else watch them when I stay up there in the winter for any extended period of time. The garden is just about done. I am still eating some corn, but now when you pick it, it's kind of that stick to your teeth, starchy, which actually I like it like that. So I kind of like it like that better than when you bite it and it kind of pops in your mouth. I got a lot of tomatoes. Mainly though, she's about done. I still have a bunch of cabbage to pick. I mean, the cabbage heads are bigger than volleyballs now, so the green ones anyway. So let's mainly come out here and get a snack whenever you want one. Tomorrow for most of the day I'm going to be working on the crib. I've got the guys from work going to finish up one job, so it freed me up tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a crib day, and then tomorrow afternoon I'm going to hook onto the old tent boat that's going to be the new tent boat, and I'm going to bring it up as far as the farmhouse. That's about halfway to the tent. I want to get it up at least that far, get it out of the yard here. And I don't know that I'll bring it all the way up to the tent this year. I mean, fishing is just about done. I mean, it's time for duck hunting is coming up very soon, deer hunting. I might haul it up there and just park it, but at least I'll get it as far as the farmhouse. I haven't started Old Reliable in a while. Let's see if she'll fire up. I actually have to bring this truck in. The heater core completely blew out. So if I do start it like this, I only start it for just a short amount of time. I need to get a new heater core put in. I looked up doing it, and there's no way I'm going to tear that whole dash apart myself. I would have no clue. So I need to get this in because I'd like to drive this some this winter. It's got brand new tires. I mean, it's got good heat, and I do a lot of driving. But for right now, I'm just going to split some wood. has an edible mushroom or not. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Another reason I wanted to get all this split is I need to bring the wood splitter up to the tent. I have enough hardwood already split last year for the front porch there for the upcoming deer hunting and winter season, but there's a bunch of pine, I've got some poplar there or aspen, whatever it is, that needs to be split, and that can be used like in the campfire. Nothing makes me cringe more than when you have to go up on the front porch to grab a load of wood to go out and use for the fire pit outside. It's just like a person should just be burning junk wood there. And I do like to have pine up on that front porch also, because when it's not cold out, the pine burns fine in the wood stove and keeps it warm in the tent. So I want to bring it up for one weekend and split some wood, get the front porch all ready for winter. And I didn't want to do that until I was done splitting here. A few more weeks and the apples will be ready to pick. I'll see you guys on the next video.